Hello everyone! Today we are singing Animal Party. This song talks about different animals we see around us. You can help me identify which animals we see in this video, and we are going to move and groove along just like these animals do. Here we go! We're having an animal party in music today. The animals are on parade. Cows and frogs and pigs and ducks. Ooh, we're having some fun. An animal party in music today. The animals are on parade. Cows and pigs and frogs and ducks. Ooh, we're having some fun with our animal friends. With our animal friends. With our animal friends, we are having some fun. Look, what animal do we see? Ooh, he's green. This animal is a frog. The frog goes ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. That's the sound he makes. We are going to hop like a frog today because our frogs love to hop. Everyone can stand on up. We are going to hop, hop just like a frog. What does the frog say? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Let's hop around just like a frog. The frog says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. With our animal friends, with our animal friends, with our animal friends, we are having some fun. Look, what animal do we see? He's black and white, and his nose is pink. What animal? This is a cow. We can see cows on farms. And what does the cow say? Moo. Yeah, that's right. Let's move like the cow does. We're gonna stomp our feet and go really slowly. The cow walks slowly back and forth. The cow walks slowly. What does the cow say? The cow says, moo. Let's walk along real slowly. The cow is walking and he says, moo. Good job. Let's hear our guitar now. Let's hear our guitar. We're having an animal party in music today. The animals are on parade. Cows and pigs and frogs and ducks. Ooh, we're having some fun with our animal friends. With our animal friends. With our animal friends. We are having some fun. We have two more animals. Let's see what's next. Oh, this one is yellow. What animal do we see? We see a duck. What does the duck say? The duck goes quack, quack, quack. We are going to flap our arms just like the duck. The duck flies with his wings. He goes flap, 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 flap. We're flapping just like a duck. And what does the duck say? The duck says quack, 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 quack. We can flap our arms just like the duck. We're flying like duck says quack. The duck says quack. The duck says quack, quack, quack. With our animal friends, with our animal friends, with our animal friends, we are having some fun. Who is this? What animal do we see? This animal is pink. Ooh, what could it be? We have a pig. This is a pig. And what does the pig say? The pig says, oink, oink, oink. When we move like a pig, we are going to stand on up and we are going to shake our tail because the pig has a nice curly tail. He likes to shake. Get ready to shake. We can shake our tail just like the pig. The pig says, oink, oink, oink. We can shake our tail just like a pig. The pig says, oink, oink, oink. Yeah, good job. We can sit back down. It's time for guitar. One more time, let's sing. We had an animal party in music today.